Hello, super learners. Welcome back to iLearnKids, where learning is fun and exciting. Today, we will read some amazing sentences using short words with the O sound. Can you say O? Let's try it together. O. Great job. First, let's look at our words. Rob, pot, got, log, lob, rot, bog, dog, jog, top, hop. Great job! Now let's read some sentences. Rob has a red hat. Let's break it down. Rob has a red hat. Rob has a red hat. Now, can we read it together? Rob has a red hat. Now, let's say the sentence together. Rob has a red hat. Great job! Do you want to try saying it with me again? Rob has a red hat. Excellent. Now let's read it. Rob has a red hat. Good job. Now let's move to the next sentence. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. Ouch! The pot is hot. Be careful. Now, can you say the pot is hot with me? The pot is hot. Great job. Let's try that again. The pot is hot. Excellent. Now let's read it together one more time. The pot is hot. Now on to our next sentence. I got a big hug. Now, can you say the sentence with me slowly? I got a big hug. Let's do it again. I got a big hug. Great job. Now let's say it one last time. I got a big hug. Excellent. You're doing amazing. Let's move on to our next sentence. The log is wet. If it rains, a log in the forest gets wet. Now, can you say the sentence with me? Let's say it slowly. The log is wet. Can we do it again? One word at a time. The log is wet. Great job. Now let's say it together once more. The log is wet. You're doing amazing, super learners. Now we're going to move over to our next sentence. I'll read it first. The boy will lob the ball. Lob. Lob means to throw lightly. The boy will lob the ball. Now, can we say together one word at a time? The boy will lob the ball. Amazing! Let's read it one more time, one word at a time. The boy will lob the ball. Now let's read everything together one last time. The boy will lob the ball. Excellent. Now we're going to move over to our next sentence. You're doing amazing, super learners. The apple will rot in the sun. Rot. If we leave an apple in the sun too long, it will rot. Now, can you read the sentence with me, one word at a time? The apple will rot in the sun. Excellent. Now let's read it again one more time, one word at a time. The apple will rot in the sun. Great job. Now let's read the entire sentence together. The apple will rot in the sun. Great job, super learners. Now we're going to move over to our next sentence. Are you ready? Let's keep going. The frog sat in the bog. Bog. A bog is a wet, muddy place. Frogs love it. Can you say the sentence with me? Let's do it one word at a time. The frog sat in the bog. Great job. Let's read it again, one word at a time. The frog sat in the bog. Excellent. Now let's read the entire sentence together. The frog sat in the bog. Great job. We're moving over to our next sentence. The dog can run fast. Dog. Fast. Wow, the dog runs so fast. Can you run fast? Now let's read this sentence together, one word at a time. Are you ready? The dog can run fast. Can you read it again with me, one word at a time? The dog can run fast. Excellent. Now let's read the entire sentence together. The dog can run fast. Great job, super learners. We're moving on to another sentence. I like to jog in the park. Jog. Jogging is running slowly. Do you jog with your family? Awesome. Now let's say the sentence together, one word at a time. I like to jog in the park. Great job, super learners. Let's read the sentence one more time, one word at a time. I like to jog in the park. Now we're going to read the entire sentence together. Let's go. I like to jog in the park. Excellent. We have 2 more sentences to go. So let's move on to our next sentence. The cup is on top of the table. Top. Look, the cup is on top of the table. Can you say the sentence with me, one word at a time? The cup is on top of the table. Great job. Let's read the sentence one more time, one word at a time. The cup is on top of the table. You're doing amazing. Now let's read the entire sentence together. The cup is on top of the table. Great job, super learners. Now we're on to our last sentence. Let's go. We can hop on one leg. Hop. Like a kangaroo. Can you hop on one leg? Now, let's read the sentence together, one word at a time. We can hop on one leg. Great job, super learners. Let's do it one more time, one word at a time. We can hop on one leg. Amazing. Now let's read the entire sentence together. Ready? Let's go. We can hop on one leg. Wow, you all did amazing. Let's do a quick review. Can you remember some of the words we learned today? Let's go over them. Rob, pot, log, rot, bug, dog, jog, hop. Fantastic work. Fantastic work. Now, can you try making your own sentences with these words? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iLearnKids for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.